Okay, you've got your print in the right spot. You've put a vertical piece of masking tape to hold it in the right spot. Pulled the silicone release paper back, trim that part off, get your second pair of hands to hold the print slightly proud of the windscreen, and you can see there you can lift it back up if you find a wrinkle or two, and just apply pressure. Some people like to apply a small amount of pressure first, get it to make sure it's down properly, and then apply a greater amount of pressure to make sure it sticks properly. It is important to put some decent pressure on it so you can get that adhesive sticking to the windscreen. Of course, the windscreen will be nice and clean prior to doing this. Okay, so then they've removed the part of the other side of the silicone release paper, not all of it. So it's just sitting proud, and the actual applicator has got a little bit of room to move and slowly comes across the vinyl to make sure that it's wrinkle free. So you'll probably, I can see a bit of a wrinkle there. He's just going to lift that up, yep, push it back down. Now a lot of this video is sped up because it's very repetitive, but the parts that are slowed down you can get a better idea what's going on. By all means, replay it a few times, get your head around it. Once again, the print is oversized, so once it's all stuck down you'll need to trim the areas back which shouldn't be there. Now it's a good idea to have your print laminated. It's not essential. Generally you'll get 2 years out of a print, even though you'll get everyone saying you'll get 3 years out of it. But look, you really only get about 2 years and it starts to break down. Having lamination on it is good for a couple of reasons. It makes the print last longer because it diffuses the ultraviolet rays. And also when it rains, I've found that not having it laminated makes it difficult to view out of it once you're in the car, because the water gets trapped in the little holes, and you know, makes it very difficult to see out of. But if you've got the lamination over the print, makes it a lot easier to see out of. Excuse me. So you can see there is trimming in between the glass and the rubber, and now in between the doors. So once that's done, job's pretty well complete. It's not that hard, but curved surfaces are more difficult, and I would recommend you get a professional applicator to apply if your windscreen is curved. And applicators are for sale, but you can make it out of MDF and some t-shirt material.